Hi everyone, welcome back to Techno Coders. In today's session, we're learning about this grep command. So, how this command came in place and what actually it do. So, the grep command is a tool used for searching and manipulating text pattern in the file. Its name is derived from Unix ED editor, and the command in ED editor g/re/p. If I'll translate this right, G is for global, R is for regular expression, and P is for printing. So combination of this we calling in the Unix as grep command. So okay, this grep command actually derived from this, and there are multiple patterns you can pass. There are multiple argument you can pass while running this command to do different operations. So suppose if you want to generally simply search a string, just type grep and the string you want to search and the file name. So if wherever the techno T is in capital, okay, please remember Unix is case sensitive. Wherever this techno is there present in the this particular file, I will show you with an example. It will display. If you want to ignore the cases, right? So use grep-i command. That way, if you give grep-i and give the name, even though it is present with the capital letter, still it will return because I is for case ignore case sensitivity. Okay, so it will become case insensitive while searching. And then third is, if you want to search any line is starting with this techno in the command, then you use this operator, and after that write the search string you want to search. It will display you the output. And if you want to search at the end of the file, wherever, like in my file, if my end of the word is techno, then this will print you using the dollar command after your pattern, and then search it. So in my line, wherever this techno found in the end of the line, it will show you. And if you use -c command, it will count the number of matches. So example, here total like techno, if in my file the techno is present like 5 times, so it will give 5, how many times this pattern is matching. And then I have -l command. So L is just to give the file name. So like let's say that there are multiple files are there in the server. Okay, so instead of that you can directly write star. Okay, so example, if I just type star, so what command will do, it will search this techno pattern in all the file in the given directory, and wherever it is matches it will display. Okay, then next is -w. So -w will search for the whole word. Okay, again here it is case sensitive. Okay, I am saying small techno, so it will search for whole word, right? If this word is not present, it will not display anything. So it will search for whole word, just remember that. So I will show you with an example here again. And then we have displaying only the matched patterns. So example, grep-o techno. So what this command will do, this command will only show you what pattern actually is matching in the file. Okay, it will just display those matched pattern, nothing else. It will not display any file or anything, just pattern. And then we have -n command. So here if your file have multiple lines, right, so it will display the line number also in the file. Okay, and then we have uh, inverting pattern. So using -v, so it will try to find a line which don't have techno in it. Okay, so this is we called as inverting the pattern. So without hyphen it will search the pattern, with -v it will invert, it will try to find a line where we don't have this techno word. It's another way around. And then if you want to search in the folder, like example, this techno, right, pattern present in any of the file in the folder, then give this command grep-r. R is for recursively. You need to make sure that you have proper permission in the directory, else you might get the permission denied. Now we just gone through all this command. Let's try to run one by one and see how it works. So I'm just using cat operator. I'm just opening this file so that when I show you the example, right, we will go one by one on this. We'll start with the number one. So for that demo, I created one file. I'm opening that file as well, test grep.dat. And if you can see here in this, I have total 5 line in my file. Welcome to Technocoder. This file is to test how the grep command works. Technocoder channel is created to help the coders to speed up the coding skill. And that way I have created 5 lines. You can see here I have multiple patterns, like Techno is repeating here, and then I have a capital T here. So like way I have given, and I have given one line also where we don't have any Techno word in it, right? Just to show with example. Now start with the first command, normal search, like using grep. Okay, so I'm just copying this command. Okay, and right click, it will paste. So you can see here I am grep Techno, T capital, right? T capital. So here only one line is returning, correct? This line, Techno coders channel. See, this command will return you the whole line, and it will highlight where the pattern has been found. So example, Techno in cap, it is found here. What happens if I give small, TCHNO, same, I'm giving in a small letter. So you can see here it is returning me 3 lines because Techno is present here, here, and here. So remember that Unix is case sensitive, so you need to be very careful. But there is another way, which is my command number 2, how to ignore the cases, right? Case insensitive. Just use -i here. Now see carefully, same command grep. I am just adding I option, case insensitivity, and then I am typing capital again. Techno. Okay, test grep.dat. See the difference here. Now it is returning me the 4 lines. The reason is I say ignore cases, so it is taking T as a small t also, it is ignoring. Even though all are in capital letter also, it will still return because I am ignoring the cases. So it is returning me 4 rows. Before it was returning me only 1 row here, you can see, right? But now it is returning me the small letter Techno also, whatever it is found. So that way you can use -i for case insensitivity. Okay, now let's go to the third command. So third is matching the line that start with the string. So again, matching the line that start with the string. Let's try to run this command. So this is my file. You can see here. By looking, are you seeing anything starting with TECHNO in a small letter here? Any line is starting with that word? No, it is not returning anything. Again, I am running the same command, but I am saying capital T. Now you can see here, it is returning me the line which is starting with Techno. Okay, so that way, and again, if you want to ignore the case while using this command, again use -i, then it will return. But this time also it will return only 1 row. The reason is none of the line apart from this is starting with Techno. Like this is starting with welcome, using, thanks, thank you. So again, see here, grep. I'm just saying, even no need to type whole word. Okay, just say starting few characters. So here I'm saying, to run this command, right, this operator, just click shift and numeric 6, it will create. And then after that, just I'm typing W E. In welcome, just 2 letters are there, right? I'm just typing WE. See here, this line return. The reason is, if you use this operator, right, so, and after that if you give any pattern, it will search, it should be beginning of the line. Okay, beginning of the line, that way. Now you will be wondering, right, how to do if it is end of the line. Like example, I want to search any word which is ending with KS. Again, dot is also there, please remember, dot is also a valid character, right? So KS dot, if I want to search in which file the line is ending with KSW or works, right? So what you will do is just type grep again. Now I want to search KS dot, let's say, okay, the KS dot. And now to check and the end of line, I need to use dollar command. So matching the line that end with the string. So dollar. So here I am using dollar operator. Now run the file again. So you can see here, actually it is present two lines, ks dot, they present in these two lines, so it is returning me those. Okay, so this is a way you can search either it word. If you want to search with the beginning of the word, use this operator. If you want to search a word ending at the line with this operator. Okay, so after that, count the number of matches. So let's try to run this command. So I want to search Techno in this file, how many times it is repeating. So you can see here it is present here, here, like that, right? Just enter this. So total 3 places. We have seen before also, right? 1, 2, 3. Because I have given as without any case insensitivity. But again, now if you want to search case insensitivity, right? You can do like this hyphen I hyphen C, or you can do like this hyphen IC together and say. So you can always combine the multiple argument using hyphen into one also, or you can give separate also, both will work. So now it is coming 4. The reason is this capital T, right? This is also coming like 1 2 3 4. So, okay, so this is how you be counting the number of matching patterns, how many times this pattern is actually coming. Now going to the next command, displaying the file name that matches the pattern. Again, I am trying to search Techno in all the file in the current directory. Star means like all the files or directory in the current, all the files in the current directory. Run this command. So you can see that Techno actually is present in the test function grep that these many files it is present, right? So it means this pattern is present in so many files. Now if you want to know how many times it is there, again you need to write a grep command, and you can say -c Techno. Let's say I want to check into this file test function.sh. So only one time it is repeating, and where it is present, so again just say grep Techno. So it is present here in author Techno coders. Okay, this way you can search pattern is present in how many files. Now going to the next command, search for the whole word in the file. This is very important. Till now we are searching for one particular pattern, right? Like pattern can be part of word, like it can be a one letter, one character, two character, like. But here I am talking about searching the whole word, right? Searching the whole word. So example, if Techno is present as whole word in my file or not. You can see here, this is my file, but there is no word as Techno because I have Techno coders, right? Techno is a part of this word, it's not a whole word, right? So I don't have anything, so it will not return me anything. See here, it is not returning. But if I search grep -w Techno coders, so you can see here Techno coders present into the 3 lines, 1 2 3. It's displaying like that. So -w is for search for the whole word in the file. Okay, now going to the next command, displaying only the matched pattern. So what is a matched pattern means? Like again, if I run this pattern, whatever pattern you are passing here, it will just display you how many times it is. It will not count, just it will display what it's matching in the file. So example, grep -o Techno in this file. So you can see here 1 2 3. So it is just returning me the matched pattern. Actually it is not returning me how many times which file. If you see, if I don't use -o, it will give me the whole line, right, including this highlighted. But if I use grepo, it will only give me the text which are matching. in the current file. So 3 times it is matching, so it just displaying me the current characters. After that we have -n command. So display line number while displaying the output. So again same command if I run, which I run in the beginning. So grep -n pattern, I want to search file name. So here it's showing me the line number also. First match happened in line number 1, second match in line number 3, and third match in line number 4. It is not matching anything in line number 2 because my line number 2 with the init capital like this, capital T. Again, if you want to match that also, you can just say grep -i in techno test grep.dat. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, all the lines it is matching. Okay, now going to the next command, inverting the pattern which is not found, and it will display those lines. So now try to run this command. So again, inverting is just opposite of how normal search works. In normal search, what happens is if you use grep techno file name, it show all the output where the techno actually is matching. But is invert, what happens is it will display the line where techno is not present at all. So let's see here. So here you can see the word techno, right? It is not present. See, it is present here, but capital T is there, right? It's a case sensitive again. So it is not present in this line also and second line also. Again, I can ignore the case if I run IV. So you can say on the last line, thank you, right? This is how it is returning. Thank you. Because techno is part of each and every line. Here also it is present. Now I am saying case insensitive. So here also it is returning. Here also it is returning, and here also it is returning. But it is not present in this line, right? So that is the reason it's just returning me thank you. Now going to the next command, search recursively for a pattern in the directory. So this is a command grep -R, and here is the pattern I am trying to search in this current folder, right? So give the path name where in this folder what you want to search. So I want to search techno, and it will try to search all the file in the given directory and just try to print it. So you can see here it is searching this techno pattern in all the file in the current directory and displaying it. So now if you have noticed, right, techno I'm not passing in the double quotes, because if you are searching a single word, right, no need to pass as a double quotes. But if you are searching let's say multiple words which have space in between, to show that, let me open the file. See, let's say that I want to search this file is together like this. Okay, if I don't give this into double quotes, like, let's see what happens. So grep, I'm not passing anything in double quotes. So grep, I want to search all the 3 words together. So this is the pattern. This file is, so I'm trying to search this. I'm not giving into double quotes. I'm just saying like this, and then I'm passing the file name. Let's see what happens. See, instead of searching for this file is, right, it is start searching the first word only, right? And then it is thinking file and is actually a file, because again I am telling you, if you don't pass in the double quotes, it will think these are the arguments. And with this command you can pass the multiple argument. Like example, if you want to search a string, right, you can pass file1, file2, file3 also, right? Most of the Unix command you can have a multiple file pass as argument. But I am more worrying about only searching this file is. But instead of searching this file is, it is only searching the first word and thinking file and is another file. So example, it's saying file, no such file or directory. It's thinking it's a file actually. And is also it is thinking it's a file, right? Which is not, it's a word. So to do that, just type grep this file is, then give the file name. Now you can see here, this is exactly finding the pattern here, this file is. So this is why the double quote is important. But if you are searching a single word, double quote is not required. And if you want to know more about this command, you can check into manual pages. So the command to check manual pages is man and give the command name. So these are manual page. So here you can see it is given by Unix, the description of this command and all the possible options and parameter for this file. So most of them very frequently used parameters I already covered, but in case if you have any doubt of the other parameters, you can refer these manual pages. I hope this session is very useful for you, and please subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.